Alright, I'm an idiot. I just talked for about 5 minutes and had no memory card in the car. Camera. Anyway, we've been trying to get Corsas on his car forever. Mine too, but that's not gonna happen for a while. Last video of his exhaust, I'll link up right here in a tag or something. It's the MVRP Street catback with the Stainless Performance high flow cat headers. And anyway, Corsa Extremes. Here we go. Definitely gonna be a lot louder than the Corsa or the MVRP Street, because he also has high flow cat headers. It's gonna be loud. Tips are absolutely massive. And you know it says Corsa on them. Yeah. He bought a $2,000 sticker and it just came with a free exhaust system, so that's a cool deal.
I don't know.
What are you doing?
I get weird when I get excited. Don't look at me. I'm wearing a dress.
Okay, whatever. Let's just get to it. Here's every Mustang's orgasm, I mean dream of a exhaust right here. Let's just get this thing jacked up. And then yeah, we're gonna start disassembling the stock. Colby's car has spot welds on the factory exhaust clamps coming off of the headers. We're gonna cut those off real quick. Just a little precaution that the last installer did. Pretty smart, because those tend to work loose sometimes. And then we're just gonna pull off the whole catback in one piece. Not a metal blade. Yep, that's not gonna work. I'm dumb, and I used a wood blade on metal. So now, let's actually use a metal blade on metal. So we're gonna have to work it backwards about 2 inches first to pull it out of the clamp.
Yeah, but we have
of
to
the
get
front.
The one in the front done first.
Well, we have to pull it out this way first, about 2 inches to pull it out of the clamp from the front. But then there's still a hanger right here. So then we're gonna drop it down and then pull it down out of the clamp, and then we can just take it out.
Okay.
So that's working. Okay, hold on.
Feel it.
Give it. Yep, it's out.
Oh. What are you, Meryl?
Oh, here, grab it. So here's the MVRP Street, and I think they want us to put, okay, I know I need to put the clamps on first, so let me do that real quick.
Freddie got a girl in Nebraska, see that?
Huh?
Freddie got a girl in Nebraska, see that?
X-pipe, please.
Got it?
Yep. There's a specific way to orient the clamps so you could actually tighten them. So,
Favorite insult for people is you.
dude, I can't make YouTube videos with you because I have to cut out everything. Slip it in this hole first. Holy, this is so freaking easy.
Actually, yeah. Mommy milk or kiss.
What?
You're like Spider-Man saving the train.
Huh?
You're like Spider-Man saving the train.
Not right now. I'm just gonna go tighten up the front clamps and then we're gonna fine tune the position and that's it.
Alright. What was that?
I'm gonna go deaf. Well, that was probably the easiest install ever. But here's what we got. Black Corsa tips. Pretty easy. The hardest part was literally centering them, but that was it. Might have to work this one down a little bit, but we could do that later. sounds amazing.
We haven't even gotten on it yet.
That's not it. That's not what I was expecting, honestly. Alright, let's just clean up and then we'll get on the road. Oh my god, bro! Oh my god! I know! It's not even my car.
Part ownership.
Bro, this is how much I like Mustangs. It's not even my car and I'm so happy right now. Dude, this sounds so good! 92 on idle. Just drive normal.
I'm trying to drive normal, but this is how 15 miles an hour. Jesus.
What are you going to?
Not above 2?
That's not above 2?
That's 2,500. Jesus!
You can get it. How? I don't know what to say. Like I see it, like this is probably the past 2 minutes. I think it's just me just sitting. We're not echoing on anything. It's just that loud. Your whole exhaust hurt my ears, but when you drove past me, this is the first time I've been in a car that it's hurt my ears. Give it a little brap. Okay. It's not even 4K. That's stupid. Honest. You know what to do. Alright guys, well, I don't think there's much left to do for this video. I mean, I have 10 minutes of video of me just not even 4K. But I just had 10 minutes of us just being giddy as hell over this, so yeah, that's it. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do next on either.